How to search for diamonds. Begin by simply clicking New Search. Select the shape, size and colour you are looking for. You can also be more specific in your search criteria. As you select, search criteria will appear as tags here. Remove tags by clicking the X. You can search for a diamond's location or click Flexible Delivery to include diamonds and sellers in your chosen location. Remember, the more search criteria you add, the more specific your results will be. You can easily search by seller or multiple sellers by entering their RapNet account number or company name, separated by a semicolon. When showing the RapNet inventory to your customers, easily add a markup by entering a 6-digit access code where the first 3 digits indicate the markup and the last 3 digits are random. For example, if you want to add a 20% markup, type 120 followed by any 3 random digits. Now click Search to find the diamond you are looking for.